All right, here I am, back on the river. The water level is quite high. It's been raining a lot. I'm going to try putting the kick up rudder down. See how it tracks here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's see. Yeah, I can paddle. Yeah, it's going straight. Wow, it feels a lot faster. I don't feel that big old drag coming off the transom that I used to feel. All right, there's my rudder setup. It's down. The boat is tracking extremely straight, which is really nice. Alright, I just put the rudder up because there's some rapids now. Not really sure which direction to go. As you can see, the boat turns quicker now. I think I might go through there. I like to call this bird corridor. Every spring there's just a lot of birds in here. Here goes a heron. There's a Canadian goose. I guess the goose has more courage here. Here's some rapids. Oh, I guess I spooked him too. All right, this is where the rapids pick up. All right, if you can look at the top of that tree right there, that big sycamore, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 heron nests in there. All right. More birds. Cormorants. All right, so that rock right there, that's a good jumping rock. The problem is the water is cloudy today. You couldn't really see what was under you, so Anyway, but that rock is really good for jumping off of. People do it all the time. I put my rudder back down so I'm going to go on the right side of this island. So with the rudder down, I can go straight as an arrow. It's amazing how different the river looks like in different seasons with different amounts of water. That little grass in the middle there, that's actually a beach that I pulled up my punt on 2 summers ago to take a break, but it's all underwater now. All right, there's that beachhead that I used to stop on. Cardinals. Ooh, what is that? River rat, muskrat. There's some kind of swimming rodent under the water here. All right, here we go. Last bit of rapids. That guy has a motor. Either that or an anchor. Hello, is that a motor or anchor? Do you have a motor or anchor?
I got pedals.
Oh, you're in a back eddy.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm in a back eddy now. Okay, here's the last stretch. The rudder is down, so I can't turn very quickly. I think I'll pull it up. There we go. Much better. Here's the last rapids. All right, where do I want to go? I see a chute right there. Yeah, that was easy. This guy's fly fishing at the ramp. Hopefully I won't get snagged. another fun adventure. I think that was number 20. All right, this time no water got in the boat at all. The back half is completely dry. I was hoping it would wash all this dirt away, but so the boat has a whole lot more buoyancy when it doesn't have a mast step, and 2 outriggers attached to it. So I think this is about the limit of this boat. 2 people. All right, well, that was fun. Okay, that was a lot of fun. The boat worked. No water got in the back. The rudder was really nice. It was nice to have the option of pulling it up when I needed to maneuver really quickly. It needs 3 more layers of varnish on it though. It only has 1. All right, go get my car now.